Follow me.
Rob? Where'd he go?
Over here! Huh? Do you have to blow your nose so hard, Emma? You're ruining my concentration.
Huh? That wasn't me.
Then where's that noise coming from? Look! It's a goose. My name's Rob. These are my friends Emma, TK, and Orbit.
Aw, you're a cute little guy, aren't you? I wonder what he's doing here.
I don't know. Geese aren't supposed to like the cold. They migrate.
Migrate?
Yes, they migrate or travel to warmer places in winter to find food and shelter.
But geese usually migrate together in large flocks. I only see one goose. He's all alone. Oh.
Maybe he doesn't know how to fly.
Aw, poor thing. If he doesn't know how to fly, he can't migrate.
Maybe we can teach the goose how to fly.
Yeah, that'll be our new mission.
Okay, Feathers. Follow me. Just do what I do.
Feathers?
Emma named him. It's better than calling him Goose.
That's it, Feathers. Now lift off into the air.
What are they doing? I don't know. Playing tag?
Uh-oh, duck!
Duck? I thought you said he was a goose.
This isn't working. All I'm doing is making myself dizzy.
And all Feathers is doing is having fun with TK snowballs. Anyone else have an idea?
Oh, I do! I think he needs to go faster. Orbit's right. Just like our rocket, the faster Feathers goes, the easier he'll lift off of the ground into the air. And what better way to get more speed than on a...
Huh?
Bad boy.